Introducing CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce, a jointly released solution that natively combines a unified AI-powered agent workspace in Salesforce Service Cloud with enterprise contact center and workforce engagement management capabilities from Genesys Cloud. Let's meet Vince, a talented agent who can handle multiple digital and voice interactions at the same time based on capacity rules set by his supervisor, often referred to as a blended agent. After starting his day, the integrated Genesys Workforce Management identifies and notifies Vince that he is out of adherence to his schedule and is instructed to go into the on-queue state to start receiving work. Here on the Overview tab, Vince can quickly understand his job performance over the last few weeks and months, as well as review any assigned training modules, coaching appointments, and evaluations. Further insights into performance metrics, scorecards, and gamification leaderboards help Vince and his fellow agents eliminate any knowledge gaps and maximize their potential. And finally, Vince can view his detailed work schedule over the coming days and weeks, as well as request shift trades or time off. With CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce, all the important data that Vince needs to start his day and grow in his role is available in one place in Service Cloud. Genesys Cloud has routed a web message to Vince and is now notifying him of the pending interaction through the omnichannel widget. He accepts it, and right away, a new record page is populated with relevant information. Interaction controls, as well as important customer and case details, are displayed on the left side of the agent workspace. The chat module and more details, such as the customer's journey history across the company's website and previous interactions, are in the middle. And on the right, Einstein will recommend any relevant next best actions based on real-time transcription details from the conversation. And this is just one sample layout. You are able to fully customize this view in Service Cloud to match your unique processes. Our agent Vince is able to view his customer Sarah's previous conversation with a chatbot on the company's website. She is inquiring about the warranty details of a previous order. Einstein, aided by real-time transcription from Genesys Cloud, has also picked up on her intent and already recommended a next best action for our agent to take. As Vince begins to handle this customer's request, he's delivered a high-priority voice call through the omnichannel widget. Similar to the chat interaction, AI predictive routing from Genesys Cloud has analyzed data and detected patterns across both Genesys and Salesforce to determine that Vince is the best agent to work on this specific customer request. When Vince accepts the call, he's presented with an almost identical experience and layout to the other chat interaction, minimizing training time and maximizing efficiency for all agents. As he speaks with his customer Greg, he can read a live transcription of the conversation as it happens for even more clarity into the customer's intent. Furthermore, Einstein has also been analyzing the conversation in the background and quickly recommends a next best action for Vince to work through, an update to the customer's address. Vince is able to quickly resolve the request through a predefined Salesforce flow, as well as toggle between all the various work he's been assigned to ensure he's providing the best, most efficient service he can to all his customers. Once Vince has sufficiently resolved his customers' requests, he puts in a wrap-up code associated with each interaction. Also, based on the circumstance, he can transfer customers to other departments with full visibility into the number of people waiting, the number of assigned agents working, and the estimated wait times of each queue. Now, let's take a look at what's in store for supervisors. CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce brings agent, queue, and interaction data from both platforms together in Omnichannel Supervisor, enabling supervisors to actively monitor their teams and their workloads in real time. Supervisors and admins also gain clear, actionable insights to improve operations with custom dashboards that track service levels, handle times, overall customer satisfaction, and really any contact center KPIs that they'd like to measure and monitor. So to review, in this demo, we saw free-flowing, pre-integrated data between Genesys and Salesforce, eliminating blind spots and enriching AI from both platforms. chat and voice interactions routed through a single orchestration engine in Genesys Cloud, improving consistency and personalization across channels. Modern workforce performance and planning capabilities from Genesys Cloud that measured and improved critical agent and customer experience KPIs. And a single unified workspace and service cloud that empowered both agents and supervisors with all the context, artificial intelligence, and performance metrics they needed to increase efficiency and customer satisfaction. Inspire your team, delight your customers, and offer personalization on every channel, anywhere, anytime with CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce.